Well, now, are there any points that people on the platform would like to respond to that their colleagues have said? Would any of you like to respond to?
I would
yes.
like to add something about this division or polarization. Something it's a very dominant topic in my book, Orbanland, which is not only about Hungary, it's about Europe as a whole. So I try to lift up this discussion between the national conservatives, populists on the right, and the liberals, center left, the progressives. And I think you were mentioning this, like how the European Parliament could be reorganized. And I think maybe not tomorrow and maybe not even next year, but in the years to come, I think we will see a new kind of organizing of nationalist populists on one hand, and then the progressive liberals on the other. And the interesting thing about that is the division, because how can they cooperate, and what's the percentage of each bloc in each country? Another point could be that you would have the yellow vests in that one group, and you could see more and more maybe of these climate fools, like the Danish People Party leader said, climate activists, very active in the other progressive group. So you might see two new topics, clashing: migration versus climate, and this is of course down the road. But it's also about identity, as we talked about, and I think that would be interesting to see how that division would take place if it will develop like that.
Thank you very much. If there are no questions between the members of the panel, no? In that case, let me now ask people from the floor if anyone from the floor would like to ask a question.